I-clarify ko lang po.
Opo.
Opo.
I submitted a courtesy resignation
Ayun.
July 15 ang date. So that was the time that the new secretary also came in and he asked for the courtesy resignation of all of the EXICO members. Ang akin lang po, hindi ko sinubmit kay Sec Briggs yung aking courtesy resignation, but instead, I submitted to the President.
Mhm.
So hindi niya po talaga makikita yon. It's only me who has a copy with regards to that resignation.
Kasi nga po ang lumabas na balita, kayo po ay fired, ano po, at yun pala, nag-offer po kayo ng courtesy
Yes.
resignation.
Opo, yes.
Ma'am, alamin naman namin muna po, ano, bakit po kayo nagbigay ng courtesy resignation po?
Alam naman niyo po, pag may bagong head of agency na dumarating, he also wanted to work with the people na gusto niya.
Yes.
Di ba po?
Opo.
So, ako naman, bilang respeto to that mindset of the new secretary, hindi na po siya mahirapan na, si Molly ayaw mag-resign. I tendered it to my appointing authority, who is the President.